What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I want to show you a system today that is all in one system where you get the marketing system, you get access to training, you get access to traffic, all under one umbrella, and you're able to use this system to make $247 over and over and over, instant commissions. Okay, they provide the done-for-you traffic packages. Okay, because that's the biggest thing. People aren't showing their opportunity to enough people. That's why they're not getting the results they want. Okay, so out the gate with this system, you're going to get access to these different traffic packages. Okay, you get the funnel, you get the video presentation that's going to do all the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to try to figure out what to say, what should I say to people. This video is going to explain it. You get the sales page. This works 24/7 for you, right? While you're out living life, this video will be running. Okay, every time someone clicks your page, the video is going to play. Okay, so you don't have to worry about selling anything or explaining anything. All right, so to get the sales page, you get the autoresponder that's going to follow up with your prospects. Once they put their name and email in, the system is going to follow up for you. Okay, and that allows you to be able to make $247 over and over and over on autopilot. Okay, so this is one of the sales pages that I'm on, which is pretty cool because it also shows results. So when people opt in, they watch that video at the top. They can see screenshots of proof that people are making money with the system. Okay, we designed a powerful program with no monthly charges with M.A.P. You pay once and that's it, guys. One-time investment. This total package is going to be $280. You're going to pay $247 to your inviter. All right, and then you pay $33 to the company. That's it. Okay, so this system is basically on autopilot far as systematically how it's going to walk people through the setup process. Okay, once you set it up, activate your capture page in the back office, you're ready to start sending people over to your system. Okay, so it includes digital marketing tools. That's what I like about it. There's digital training in here. Okay, so you definitely want to dive into this. Dive into the back office, and a lot of times people don't even go to their back office. They just set up their payment method and they just start promoting, but they really don't realize what they have. So you definitely want to go here because it shows you exactly what you should be doing. And the owner is very hands-on. That's the other thing that I like as well. Okay, so with this system, you're going to be able to track your leads in real time. You're going to know who opt in and who's looking at the sales videos, because it's going to give you some analytics, so you'll know if they watched the whole video, that type of stuff. So very detailed in that regard. All right, and how do you get paid? Any way you want, whether it's Cash App, credit card, you set that up in your back office. Okay, and as I stated, they've got support. The owner is on top of this. When somebody opts in and they pay the $33, he sends out an email and say, hey, somebody just paid $33. You probably got $247 on the way. So he's very hands-on with the system as well. So this includes a what they call a one-up. Okay, a one-up comp plan. So in essence, with this, you're going to make $247 twice, right, off of one person. All right, so your first sale you're going to keep. Then the second sale is going to pass up. Everybody's going to pass up their second sale. So that's $494 per person. Okay, so you pass up that second sale, that's your one up. And the third referral and beyond, you keep all those. But just think, everybody that joins you passes up their second sale. Okay, So that gives you leverage to be able to receive those passive $247 commissions at any point in time without you actually doing anything. You referred the person once, right? And then they signed up somebody. So you're going to make those second sales just on autopilot once the system starts flowing, okay? And you start getting signups. It's going to be on autopilot, because it's, when I say autopilot, meaning the system is going to direct people. You're not going to have to worry about, well, hey, I need to send this second sale over to my sponsor. The system is going to direct people where they need to go. Once that second sale kicks in and it's time for you to pass it up, when they go to pay, go to your link, it's going to tell them to pay somebody different. Okay, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with that. So it's a pretty newbie-friendly system, very easy, nothing difficult about this. As I stated, they already have the capture pages for you. All you need to do is click a few buttons and activate yours, okay? And you're good to go. And as I stated, they're going to go to this website here, or whichever landing page you direct them to, but there's going to be a video here that's going to explain the program. And if the person is interested, they're going to get started, okay? They're going to click that button and they're going to get started. And then however you set up your payment processors, that's what they're going to see, okay? So it can be instant pay, all right? Okay, this is your control panel, which they call the dashboard. Now this will change every 24 hours, okay? So every 24 hours, you will be able to see back here if you had any new contacts, any new referrals and things of that nature. To your left right here are the different tabs that you can tap into. As soon as you get started, you want to log in, and you want to, when you get here, it tells you right here, stop, right? Activate your site, set up your payment option, your broadcast option, and there's step number 4. But follow this, guys, and there's a video right there, so you can't mess it up if you follow these steps. Or click here, it says start here. Complete your profile, payment option, set up your payment option here. Okay, so just follow those steps. And then if you want to get traffic, well, how do I get traffic? They tell you right here. Solo ads, postcards. So there's a sales letter you can mail out. Drop cards. They have it all laid out right here, okay, in your back office. Okay, they've got everything right here. Resources. Look at all this stuff you've got back here, guys, for $280 one-time investment. You're able to earn $247 commissions over and over, unlimited. There's no cap. It's up to you. You have to put the work in. What do I mean put the work in? Do the marketing. Either you're going to do paid advertising, pay for your marketing, or you're personally going to get on social media or place ads or things of that nature to do the work to get it done. But you've got to get people to your site to see it. Enough people have to see it in order for you to get the results you want to receive, okay? It's not a system where you can just sign up and just sit back and then sales come in. You've got to advertise it. And then, as I stated, you've got your products here. You got your M.A.P marketing products right here, okay? All digital. You can download these. See, it says download. You can download these right to your computer, phone. And then they have also M.A.P health products. Again, all digital. All right, but look at all the stuff you've got back here, guys. So for $280, you've got everything you need right here under the one umbrella. All under 300 bucks. You can start your online business. It's already set up. Basically, the company has created everything. You just need to promote it. So let's take a look at the capture pages. All right. All right, so we've got they've got 2 capture pages. They've added another one as well, but you've got to log in to see that. This is one of the pages here. Okay, I like this one. It's straight to the point. They got the red that pops out, but it's straight to the point, but it leaves enough curiosity for someone to say, well, what is this all about? Let me put in my name and email to get to the other side to get the details. Okay, then they have this particular capture page right here. Okay, guys, so your job is to drive people to one of these capture pages over and over and over. Affiliate marketing is you promoting other people's products, but you've got to do the promoting. The system will work, so it's not that the system doesn't work. you've got to get enough people to look at it, right? It's a numbers game, all right? Real quick, also another quick update. MCP has also added a M.A.P marketing system to their capture page systems as well. Okay, and I'll put the link in the description. That's a different look, so that will, you know, a lot of people may have seen those other pages that I just showed you, but this page they haven't seen. So it's another system that you could possibly just run traffic to or send people to and do a split test to see which one seems to convert the best. I'll put that link as well. It's a third-party system. This one's $19.95 a month with another company, but they have the autoresponder already set up for you, but it gives it a different look, right? So if someone sees this, they may not know specifically, are they talking about M.A.P? Because I haven't seen this page before. So that's also the other thing. You have to continue to test different methods and strategies, okay, to see what works best. And this may be another page that you could send people to as well, all right? Also, as a FYI, I have another traffic source. Yes, you're going to be able to get traffic sources in the back of your My Automatic Page system, but I have another traffic source I've discovered that's pretty good, and I'm testing it out right now as well. As you can see, it's $55. That's going to get you 100 clicks. Okay, so another source that you can add. It's all about testing, guys. It's not one way to do everything. Okay, you just have to continue to test, do split tests, use different traffic packages, and to get the results you want. But it's about consistency. Okay, so I'll share that with you once you get started with me in this program. All right, with that being said, guys, if you're ready to get started with me in M.A.P, go ahead to the website in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Get started earning $247 commissions over and over any way you like. All right, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. You guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.